Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add a template in SendGrid to streamline your email campaigns and keep a consistent look. Log into your SendGrid dashboard. Navigate to Marketing. Click on Templates. Here, click Create New Template to get started. You can either use pre-built templates or design your own using the drag and drop editor. Add your branding elements like your logo, colors, and fonts to keep your emails on brand. Once you've finished designing your template, save it. Now you can use this template for any future campaigns by selecting it in the Single Send section when creating a new campaign. Templates are a great way to save time and ensure consistency across your email campaigns. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.